Good evening, everybody. Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 28th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is down $5.47 today. That's 0.5%. We closed at 1088.47. Post-market, we are even Steven. So let's look at what we have here. Yesterday, we touched this downward resistance with a wick of the candle. And today we are touching it with the body of the candle. So yes, perfection once again. So we broke outside a little bit during the day, but then we closed back down over here. So we have a red candle. The big question that is still remaining is, are we going to break this resistance or are we going to cave into it? So we have been trying to break that resistance. We tried it here, we tried it here, we tried it here, and now we are trying it again. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand better what happened today. So we opened right here today. We opened quite a bit higher than where we closed yesterday. Where's my, yeah, thank you. So we opened right here, broke it, and came very close to 1122. So 1122 is another resistance that we are following. So we came pretty close to 1122 and then came back down during the first hour and touched 1079.82. 1079.82 was touched today, and basically we have been trending sideways ever since. Stochastic on the hourly chart is at 75, so still quite strong. So it's not impossible that we see some move back up with this strong of a stochastic. If not, check 1079.82. And also check 1054.69. So these are the two numbers that you need to check. If we break 1054.69, then maybe we are going back down. So that's the one I would take a look at. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, this is the 1054.69. So this is what I mentioned. And we also have this channel 3 support, the channel 3 support that is also going to come into play eventually. Right now, it's pretty much smack on 1054.69, but eventually it will be a little bit different. Let's go see the indicators. So stochastic at 70, still quite strong now, the stochastic. So the problem here is not stochastic. The problem is this resistance. We'll see what happens tomorrow and maybe for the rest of the week. RSI plateauing a little bit. MACD still crossed over bullish and DMI still crossed over bullish. Take a look at what is happening. This is really important that you take a look at this because this is a pivotal point. We can go higher or we can break down and go towards a support. Let's keep our eyes peeled on this one. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member if you like what I do. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link also if you want to learn more about technical analysis. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.